Dua al-suq. The hadith in where Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught us what to say when we enter the marketplace. Listen to this. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, whoever enters the marketplace, whoever enters the stores, the malls, and he says, La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumit, biyadihi al-khayr, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. The one who says this, as he enters the marketplace, what's his reward? Kutiba lahu biha alfa hasana. Allah Azza wa Jal writes for him 1,000,000 hasanat and wipes away from him 1,000,000 sins. وَبُنِيَ لَهُ بَيْتٌ فِي الْجَنَّةِ. And Allah Azza wa Jal builds for him a house in the paradise. Allahu Akbar. What is this reward? You know why the reward was so huge? Because when you enter a marketplace, the marketplace is not a place of dhikrullah. It's not a place in where people gather and remember Allah. Rather, the marketplace is the most hated place to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As in the authentic hadith found in Sahih Muslim. What it means is that not the land is hated to Allah, but what happens in the marketplace is hated to Allah Azza wa Jal. You know, people cheating in marketplaces, people are swearing, people are lying, there's deception, backbiting, gossip, men and women looking at each other. This is what happens in marketplaces. These are filth, these are hated places to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Rather, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, when he described the marketplace, he said, إِنَّهَا مَعْرَكَةُ الشَّيْطَانِ وَبِهَا يَنْصِبُ رَايَتَهُ. That the marketplace, it's a war zone of the shaitan, and he sets up his flag. He sets up his flag in the marketplace, and this implies that he has a permanent presence in the marketplace, and he gathers his army, and they plan, how are they going to deceive people? How are they going to make people argue with each other and fight each other and deceit each other and look at each other? This is the marketplace. So now listen to this. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, whoever enters the marketplace and says this dhikr of La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumit biyadihi al-khayr wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir, Allah would give him 1,000,000 hasanat, wipe away 1,000,000 sayyi'at, and build for him a house in the paradise. Why? Because he made dhikr of Allah in a place where dhikrullah is abandoned, it's neglected. He made dhikr of Allah Azza wa Jal in a time and place where dhikrullah is unheard of. Rather, ash-shaytan is there. Allahu Akbar. So now you understand why he had such a high reward. And this, my brothers and sisters in Islam, is the point that I'm mentioning. That when you worship Allah in times where people neglect the worship of Allah, like in this month of Sha'ban, then your reward is huge. It's great with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.